Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on athletic registration. My name is Andrew Rothermel, and I am here to teach you how to register for athletics. Whether you're a new student, transfer student, or just decided that you would like to play a sport next year. Let's get started. First, you need to go to spring-forward.net. From this page, you will need to hover over Extracurricular and then click on Spring Forward Athletics. Click on the Registration tab. Scroll down, read through these directions. If you need to, you can click on the words Section 5, Health, History, and Section 6, PIAA, Comprehensive Initial Pre-Participation Physical, and print out those documents. These documents need to be completed and turned in to the athletic office 2 weeks before the sports season begins. In the Login Instructions box, you will find the information needed to begin the online registration process. Click on the hyperlinked Click Here in this box, and this will open a new tab in your browser. Your login information is the username and password of the first parent listed in Skyward. You will then need to click to the right of the student's name to edit. At the top, there are 4 pages that will change color as you progress through the registration. Anything with a red asterisk, you must have something in that field. Continue to click Save and Next until you get to the review page. Please take a look at this page and confirm all of the information is accurate and make sure that the correct sport is chosen. The last page is a final checklist. This is a reminder of the 2 other items needed to complete the registration. When you are done, click on the Continue button. It will notify you that your online work is done. At this point, you have successfully completed the online portion of registration. For more information, please contact the athletic department.